I should be popping up in a second here. 1 second here. I'm out smoking. That's my shadow right there. But I should pop out of the eaves in a second. Come on now. Ah, fuck, I might fast forward a bit just to make this video faster. I really want the upload quick. I want the fucking info on the fucking web. This is where the crackhead attacks me. I thought I got it in that last fucking video, but I uploaded the wrong fucking one. I made a bunch of clips. I'm trying to do this ASAP, otherwise I'd use my video editing software, but fuck. For the sake of goddamn speed, this is the way I'm doing it. This is the way that I'm doing it. That's me sighing because I'm like, okay, go knock on the crackhead's door. You know they're going to be cracked out as fuck, but maybe they'll be reasonable, blah, blah, blah. And, you know what? No, I'm not going to fast forward at all because then I'll miss the fucking fight again where he attacks me with the fucking machete because it is there. I think I just knocked on the second unit's door, number 2 first, because I knew he probably wasn't home, but I wanted to try him first. I was really sketched to knock on that door, number 1, because I could hear them. 3 crackheads, cracked out as fuck, gibberish talk, cracked out, type of cracked out. Like the ringer or whatever the fuck they talk about that they get, I don't think it rang, I think it rang the brains out of their fucking ears. That's what I think. Come on, man. Fuck, for the sake of speed, I'll just find it. I know it's not far before he starts fucking coming. Yeah, there is. That is not a stick. That is a machete that he's swinging at me in his monkey crack way. He hit me there. He got my fingers. That's why I smacked him on the head. That's why I was violent there. I am not violent. Fuck, he fucking got my fingers. And that's a cracked old bitch spraying a... Look at that. That's a can of fucking, I don't even know what, a bug spray or something? Cracked out as fuck. Anyway.